What up, y'all? What's good? It's the PL, the VO, you know what I mean? It's that pop, you know what I'm saying? We gonna work today, you know what I mean? We got our tools. Hey, yo, that was a real earthquake. Oh my!
The first earthquake. What's today's date, man? It's August the 23rd, 2011.
That was an earthquake,
first
yeah.
Earthquake in history.
That was an earthquake, yeah.
Shaking the whole house. You hear me? Dang.
That was an earthquake, yeah.
Yo, listen. No, I just got to drink a half pint of Savant. Now I know that no half pint ain't gonna rock me like that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I thought I was going crazy.
What's up, baby?
Walking through the house,
Man,
what the hell?
Yo, the whole house was like.
hey, yo, the cars. You didn't see all the cars was shaking. Damn.
That was the first earthquake I ever felt, Joe. My heart jumped.
People out here today, y'all. First earthquake. AC Music signing in. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all hear this and see this. You know what I mean?
Damn.
Is that an earthquake? Yo, that's scary, yo.
Did you feel it? Feel that little thing?